another word problem here. Tickets to a local movie were sold at $4 for adults and $2.50 for students. If 100 tickets were sold for a total of $355, how many adult tickets were sold? So what we're trying to figure out is the number of adult tickets. But you also notice I don't know how many student tickets I sold either, so it really means I have two unknowns. I have my A here, which I'm going to call the number of adult tickets, and my S, which is my number of student tickets. So because I have two unknowns, that means I need to have two equations to solve them. Well, first thing they tell me is that there was a total of 100 tickets sold. So that means that A plus S is equal to 100. Well, they also tell me that a total of $355 of tickets were sold. So that means I can take the number of adult tickets times their price plus the number of student tickets times their price and come up with 350. So that means I'm also going to need this information and this information. So for this problem, I have 4a plus 2.5s is equal to 355. And again, this 4 here comes from the fact that tickets were $4 a piece. This 2.5 here comes from the fact that tickets were $2.50 a piece. And this 355 comes from the fact that we sold a total of $355 worth of tickets. Okay, so hopefully you understand where these equations come from. Well, now it's a simple matter of solving the system. So I'm going to choose to do elimination, and I'm going to choose to cancel out my S's because I'm trying to solve for adult tickets anyway. So notice here that I have 2.5s here, and if I could have a negative 2.5s there, that would make me very happy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this whole equation by negative 2.5. So I end up with negative 2.5a minus 2.5s is equal to negative 250. When I add these equations together, notice that my s's are going to cancel out, and 4a minus 2.5a is 1.5a, and that is equal, excuse me, to 105. So I divide by 1.5, and I end up with A being equal to 70 tickets.